Here's a nice looking import, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1989 Jaguar XJS. This one is in Dorchester gray and a low mile car, 37,000 I believe it is. Roughly, when we get around to the driver's side, we'll take a look at the odometer. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I believe it was a 2-owner, originated out of Indiana. This car in 1989, believe it or not, was over $47,000 new. This does include the window sticker with the purchase, as well as the Jaguar manuals, all still with it. Underneath the hood there, V12, 326 cubic inch V12 engine. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you look down in the description of this video, there'll also be a link that you can click on that'll take you right to it. Feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. As you can see, the paint, considering this car is 30 years old now, paint is in extremely nice shape on this car, as well as the bright work. It's what you'd expect for a car with this kind of miles on it. Very highly optioned cars, obviously. The Jaguars, power sunroof, leather, heated seats. For $89, a ton of bells and whistles on this car. See the chrome in the mirror. Very nice shape. Original wheels. Not full of dings, dents, scratches up and down the side of it. Let's check out this interior. I mean, interior's like brand new. Looking for a well cared for, adult driven and owned Jaguar XJS, here you go. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available in the classics we sell. And we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at, where you want this car shipped. Again, 1989 Jaguar XJS, beautiful car. No accidents indicated. I haven't seen anything that stands out as far as paint work, anything like that. You don't see, rust starting or anything like that. Very solid, clean car. Go ahead and check out the driver's side here to start it up. I'll pop the hood so you can see the engine bay. Let's go ahead and look at this interior. I have to put up with that annoying 80s buzzer a little bit here, but yeah, check out the door cards and just even the handles for getting in and out, where sometimes they kind of get grimy and worn. They're not. Look at the seat, the bolster, all very nice shape. Appears to be all original. Let's go ahead and start this up. Take a look at the miles. There's the miles, we can see it, 37,091. Only the seat belt indicator on, no other indicator lights. A stock radio automatic transmission, and very nicely equipped. Car from 1989. Let's go around and slip around to the back so you can hear this. Check out that engine bay, show you how tidy that V12 is underneath there. Don't see it smoking. Smooth running engine. Starts right up. Once again, check out that description, or down in the description below this video, you're going to see a link that'll take you right to the listing of this car. You can check out the still pictures, see the underside, interior, engine bay. Our website is uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number is 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. We're going to pop this hood and check out that engine bay. All right, take a look at this V12. Even look at the hood liner and everything else. Well, this has been a fair weather car. The 326 cubic inch V12 underneath the hood. Here, how smooth that runs. Once again, take a look at that hood and the paint. Not full of rock chips, anything like that. Down to this side. Give you a good look at it. There you have it. low mile 1989 Jaguar XJS V12 underneath the hood. Give us a call. Phone number 507-386-1726. Again, down in the description there's a link take you right to this car, which is our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and of course we can assist you with the shipping of this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.